Air fryers have become a staple in many kitchens, offering a healthier way to enjoy crispy fried favorites. Finding the perfect one, especially under $100, I've taken a deep dive into the world of budget-friendly air fryers and emerged with the top 5 contenders. Number 1. Chefman 12-quart 6-in-1 air fryer oven. This isn't your average air fryer. This behemoth is a full-fledged air fryer oven, boasting a whopping 12-quart capacity. Perfect for large families or serious party throwers. It comes with a touchscreen interface, 12 presets for effortless cooking, and even convection oven functionality for baking and roasting. Plus, dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Why I might buy it. If I'm feeding a crowd or want the added versatility of an air fryer oven, this is a strong contender. However, its size might not be ideal for smaller kitchens, and the lack of user reviews on its air frying performance specifically is a bit concerning. Number 2. Cosori Air Fryer Prola 5 QT. Cosori is a popular name in the air fryer game, and the Prola lives up to the hype. This 5-quart model offers a great balance of size and functionality. It boasts rapid preheating, quiet operation, and a user-friendly interface with customizable settings and shake reminders. Genius for perfectly even fries. Plus, it comes with a recipe book for inspiration. Why I might buy it. This air fryer seems to tick all the boxes for everyday use. It's a good size for most households, user-friendly, and has a strong reputation for performance. Number 3. Instant Vortex Plus 6 QT Air Fryer. Instant Pot is another household name, and its Vortex Plus air fryer brings its pressure cooker expertise to the table. This 6-quart model features Instant Pot's signature odor erase technology, a welcome feature for those who live in open-concept homes. It also boasts 6-in-1 functionality for various cooking methods and comes with access to over 100 recipes through its app. Why I might buy it. The odor-eliminating tech is a major selling point, and the app integration for recipes is a nice touch. However, some reviews mention it can be a bit noisy compared to other models. Number 4. Black & Decker 8-slice crisp and bake air fry toaster oven. This air fryer from Black & Decker combines air frying with the functionality of a toaster oven. It offers a smaller footprint than some air fryer ovens, making it a good option for limited counter space. It features 5 cooking functions, a 60-minute timer, and a sleek stainless steel design. Why I might buy it. This is a space-saving option for those who want the versatility of air frying and toasting. However, the smaller capacity and fewer cooking presets might not be ideal for heavy air fryer users. Number 5. Cosori Air Fryer Turbo Blaze 6 QT. Cosori makes another appearance on this list with their Turbo Blaze model. This 6-quart air fryer boasts 9-in-1 functionality, including drying, roasting, and proofing, ideal for baking enthusiasts who also love crispy fries. It features a user-friendly interface with 5 adjustable speeds and promises quick cooking times with minimal oil. Why I might buy it. The multiple functionalities and speed settings make this a versatile option, especially for those who bake. However, some reviews mention the controls can be a bit sensitive, so it might have a slight learning curve.